Hi everyone. We are stuffed in this car like a sausage. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
And there's an accident because people don't know how to drive in the rain, and we are dead stopped. Literally, Michael just turned the car and stopped. But yeah, we're stuck in here like sausages. Shut.
I put the brake on.
Hit the car and stop. And we're hungry. We haven't eaten barely anything all day. We're tired. We're uncomfortable. We're frustrated. And nothing's happening. We're not moving. We are dead stopped.
Dude.
So, say hi, happy boy. Where's Mom at? Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
All right. This is the area I've been doing all of my work at. And I always get little kitty friends to sit by me. Hi, Maizie. So I'm never alone while I do my work. Huh, Phoebe? Enjoying yourself, babe? What are you drinking?
Champagne and orange mimosa.
You know, like some might call it a mimosa. Living the good life. What about you, Mom? What? Living the good life? Brady's first trip in his new backpack. Very last time having In-N-Out before our trip. Michael doesn't care because that's why I'm blurring him in the background, because he doesn't care about In-N-Out, but I do. And she didn't expect to die that night. This is my last double for 6 months, and I'm really sad. How do you feel?
I don't know. Probably better burgers out there.
Oh, deep into that one. That is. Step one. What are we doing?
Build a bear, making a bear.
For who?
For you. Making a bear for you.
Yay.
Love you, baby girl. Miss you.
We are currently starting our goodbye tour. We are gonna go have dinner tonight with Michael's parents, my in-laws, because we're not gonna see them for a very long time. And it's gonna be a sad couple of days this week. Enjoying your food, babe? How's your food, Napo?
Oh, excellent. What a big piece of
Big piece of meat. How's yours, Linda?
Very good.
You're enjoying it?